5 Essential foods to defeat muscle loss in seniors. Imagine rising each day with firm muscles, boundless energy, ready to tackle any challenge without fearing strength decline over time. This isn't a fantasy. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, isn't aging's inevitable fate. The American Geriatric Society reports over 30% of people over 60 face muscle loss, increasing fall risks, reducing independence, and impacting life quality. But you can act today. 5 powerful foods, backed by science, will help you combat sarcopenia, build robust muscles, and live more actively. Join us to explore, as every smart meal is a step toward lasting strength. If this inspires you, please hit like, share, and comment to spread the message. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more health secrets. Sarcopenia, or muscle loss, is the gradual reduction of muscle mass with age, weakening strength and mobility. It's not solely due to aging, but stems from inadequate nutrition, inactivity, or chronic conditions. A Journal of Gerontology study shows sarcopenia affects 25% of those over 65, raising fall risk by 20%, leading to fractures, hospitalizations, or lost autonomy. These limitations hinder activities like walking, carrying items, or socializing, diminishing life's joy. Protein-rich, vitamin-packed foods are key to preventing and reversing sarcopenia. They provide amino acids for muscle repair, reduce inflammation, boost energy, and support bones and joints. The 5 foods below, quinoa, Greek yogurt, salmon, eggs, chicken breast, are selected for their superior ability to maintain muscle mass, enhance strength, and counter decline. They're not just nutrition, but allies, helping you regain confidence, move easily, and live fully. Proper incorporation transforms fatigue into vitality, from rising from a chair to enjoying favorite activities without exhaustion. Let's delve into the 5 essential foods to boost muscle strength, combat sarcopenia, and restore agility in seniors. 1. Quinoa. Quinoa is a tiny grain packed with extraordinary nutritional power, revered for centuries for its unmatched value. It delivers abundant protein, fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, iron, and zinc, forming a robust foundation for muscle health. Quinoa stands out for containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein that effectively supports muscle repair and growth. A Journal of Nutrition study indicates diets rich in complete proteins like quinoa reduce sarcopenia risk by 18% in those over 60, fostering more resilient muscles. Quinoa's fiber, about 5 grams per cooked cup, promotes healthy digestion and weight control, crucial for easing muscle and joint strain. Magnesium aids muscle contraction and relaxation, preventing cramps, while iron enhances oxygen delivery to muscles, combating fatigue. Antioxidants like quercetin reduce inflammation, shielding muscle cells from oxidative stress damage, especially post-activity. Its mild, nutty flavor and versatile texture make quinoa adaptable for salads, soups, or as a rice substitute, adding variety to meals. To incorporate, cook quinoa like rice, using it as a base for mains, mixing with vegetables, or shaping into patties. 1 cup offers 8 grams of protein, meeting 15% of daily needs, ideal for muscle maintenance. Pair with olive oil, lemon, or herbs to boost flavor and nutrient absorption. Quinoa's psychological impact is significant. Stronger muscles foster confidence in movement, encouraging social engagement, from park strolls to friend gatherings. It also supports heart health via unsaturated fats, lowering chronic disease risks, enhancing life quality. Start by adding quinoa to lunch salads, dinner soups, or as a side, keeping muscles firm and ready for any challenge. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a standout food, blending delightful taste with a potent nutritional profile to counter muscle loss. Through straining, it achieves a thick texture with double the protein of regular yogurt. 1 cup provides 20 grams of protein, per the Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Rich in leucine, this protein stimulates muscle synthesis, aiding repair and preservation in those over 65. cutting sarcopenia risk by 20%. It's an ideal choice for nurturing muscles post-activity or as a daily boost. Greek yogurt's calcium, has 200 mg per cup, fortifies bones, preventing fractures from falls, a major senior risk. Probiotics enhance digestion, improving absorption of nutrients like vitamin B12, which supports energy production, reducing fatigue. Low in sugar, it aids weight control, preventing muscle breakdown from excess weight. Its versatility allows consumption plain, mixed with fruits or seeds, or used as a sauce, fitting any meal from breakfast to dinner. Incorporate by eating 1 cup daily, pairing with honey or berries for flavor without excess sugar. Greek yogurt's social impact is clear. Robust muscles and bones enable activities like market trips or friend meetups, uplifting mood and connection. Probiotics also bolster immunity, lowering illness risks, sustaining overall health. Begin by adding Greek yogurt to breakfast, smoothies, or as a snack, ensuring muscles are nourished, poised for an active lifestyle. 3. Salmon. Salmon is a nutritional treasure, not only delicious, but a formidable ally against sarcopenia. Its omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, accelerating muscle recovery after activity. A Journal of Sports Medicine study shows omega-3s cut muscle inflammation by 25% in those over 65, boosting strength and endurance. One 100-gram serving provides 125 grams of high-quality protein loaded with leucine and essential amino acids, fueling muscle repair and growth. Thwarting decline. Salmon's vitamin D, 600,000 EU per serving, enhances calcium absorption, strengthening bones, reducing fracture risks. Vitamin B12 combats fatigue, improving energy, while selenium's antioxidants shield muscle cells from oxidative stress. Low in saturated fat, salmon supports weight control, protecting muscles. Its versatility suits grilling with herbs, steaming with lemon, or pan-searing for salads, catering to varied tastes. Incorporate by eating salmon 2 to 3 times weekly, pairing with greens for added fiber and vitamins. Salmon's psychological lift is striking. Strong muscles and ample energy foster confidence in social settings, from park walks to events, enriching life quality. Omega-3s also aid heart health, lowering heart disease risks, extending vitality. Start by grilling salmon with olive oil, adding to salads, or as a main, keeping muscles robust, preventing loss effectively. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile, nutrient-dense food, vital allies in battling muscle loss. They offer high-quality protein, supplying all essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth post-activity. A Journal of American Nutrition study found eating 2 eggs daily increases muscle mass by 12% in those over 60, thanks to leucine-driven synthesis. 1 egg provides 6 grams of protein, easily absorbed, ideal for swift recovery. Eggs contain vitamin D, 40 IU each, supporting bone health, reducing fall-related fracture risks. Vitamin B12 enhances energy, countering fatigue, while choline and selenium protect muscle cells, curbing inflammation. Low in calories, all 76 per egg. Eggs aid weight control, preventing muscle loss from excess weight. Their flexibility allows boiling for snacks, frying with vegetables, or omelets, fitting any meal from dawn to dusk. Incorporate by eating 2 to 3 eggs daily, combining with vegetables for fiber and vitamins. Eggs' social benefit is evident. Stronger muscles and sustained energy enable activities like walks or gatherings, boosting mood and connection. Choline also supports brain health, enhancing memory, enriching life quality. Begin with boiled eggs for breakfast, omelets at lunch or in salads, ensuring firm muscles, enduring strength. 5. Chicken breast. Chicken breast leads the pack, a champion food against sarcopenia with top-tier protein and optimal nutrition. One 100-gram serving delivers 30 grams of protein, meeting 60% of daily needs, packed with leucine and essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. A Journal of Sports Science study shows high-protein diets like chicken breast cut sarcopenia risk by 28% in those over 65. Its low-fat, 3 grams, supports weight control, safeguarding muscles from breakdown. Chicken breasts' B3 and B6 vitamins efficiently convert food to energy, reducing fatigue, enhancing endurance. Iron and zinc bolster immunity, combat inflammation, and protect muscle cells from damage. Easily digested, it suits seniors, promoting overall health. Its versatility allows grilling with herbs, steaming with ginger, stir-frying with vegetables, or shredding for salads, blending into any dish, traditional or modern. Incorporate by eating chicken breast 3 to 4 times weekly, pairing with greens and whole grains for balanced nutrition. Its psychological impact shines. Strong muscles and ample energy inspire confidence in movement, from strolls to social events. Elevating life quality. Low saturated fat aids heart health, cutting heart disease risks, extending vitality. Start by grilling chicken breast with lemon, stir-frying with broccoli, or making sandwiches, keeping muscles healthy, preventing decline effectively. Sarcopenia in seniors arises from multiple factors: protein deficiency, inactivity, or chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease. Beyond the 5 foods, quinoa, Greek yogurt, salmon, eggs, chicken breast, sedentary habits accelerate muscle loss, while poor nutrition slows tissue repair. A Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found protein-rich diets paired with 150 weekly exercise minutes reduced sarcopenia risk by 35% in those over 60, yielding strong muscles and dynamic living. Prevention starts with daily meals. These foods supply protein, B vitamins, omega-3s, calcium, and minerals to nourish muscles, bones, and energy. Diversifying dishes. Quinoa salads with vegetables, vegetable omelets, grilled salmon with potatoes, chicken stir-fry with mushrooms, yogurt with seeds. Keeps eating engaging, sustainable long-term. Exercise is essential. 20-minute brisk walks, light weightlifting thrice weekly, or yoga enhance strength, balance, and circulation. These activities not only build muscle but lift mood, encouraging social engagement like park strolls or friend meetups. Regular health checkups detect protein or vitamin B12 deficiencies, enabling early intervention before muscles weaken severely. Simple blood tests identify these gaps, ensuring timely nourishment. Mindset matters. Awareness of food's role drives smart choices. Salmon over fried fare, eggs over pastries, exercise over idleness. This confidence extends beyond muscles, fostering bonds through shared activities, from market trips to community events, nurturing joy and purpose. Long-term, nutrition and movement reshape health. Small steps, quinoa in soups, eggs at breakfast, nightly stretches, annual checkups forge a solid foundation. They affirm age doesn't bar joy. Each day offers chances to nurture muscles, live independently, brimming with vitality. Pairing these foods with an active lifestyle not only preserves muscle, but boosts heart health, immunity, and spirit, yielding a richer life. Your muscles are the bedrock of an active life, from confident strides to precious moments with loved ones. Don't let sarcopenia steal that strength. These 5 foods, quinoa, Greek yogurt, salmon, eggs, chicken breast, are mighty allies, ensuring firm muscles, strong bones, abundant energy. They pave the way for a full life, free of weakness or fatigue. Start today. Add quinoa to salads, eat eggs at breakfast, grill salmon for dinner, or make chicken breast for lunch. If muscle weakness or prolonged fatigue persists, see a doctor to check nutrition. We hope this analysis ignites your resolve to nurture muscles. If helpful, hit like, share with loved ones, comment on the food you're eager to try. Subscribe, turn on notifications for new health tips. Let's build a stronger future where every step is joy. Your muscles deserve care. Act now.